Victory Gardens. The name evokes a sense of purpose, of resilience, of self-sufficiency. Born during times of hardship, these gardens were a testament to the human spirit's ability to thrive, even in the face of adversity. During World War I and II, ordinary citizens transformed their backyards, balconies, and even rooftops into flourishing food sources. These gardens not only supplemented rations, but also boosted morale, uniting communities with the shared goal of cultivating sustenance. Today, the spirit of the Victory Garden is experiencing a remarkable revival. While our challenges may differ from those faced by previous generations, the desire to connect with nature, cultivate our food, and foster a sense of community remains strong. In the heart of bustling cities and cozy apartments, a new generation is discovering the joy of growing their own food, no matter how small the space. This modern take on Victory Gardens embraces innovation and adaptability. It's about maximizing limited spaces, whether it's a sunny windowsill or a fire escape bathed in afternoon light. It's about choosing the right crops for container gardening and understanding the magic of companion planting. It's about creating a green sanctuary amidst the urban jungle, a testament to the enduring power of nature and our innate desire to nurture and grow. This resurgence of urban gardening is about more than just fresh produce. It's about fostering a sense of community, promoting sustainability, and reconnecting with the rhythms of nature. It's about rediscovering the simple satisfaction of sowing a seed, nurturing its growth, and reaping the literal fruits of your labor. Creating your own urban oasis starts with a plan, but don't let this intimidate you. Think of it as sketching out your dream garden. Begin by assessing your available space. Do you have a balcony bathed in sunshine, a sunny windowsill yearning for greenery, or perhaps a small patch of ground eager to be cultivated? Next, consider your dietary preferences. Are you a salad enthusiast, a tomato fanatic, or an herb aficionado? Choosing crops you enjoy eating will make the gardening experience all the more rewarding. Remember, even the smallest spaces can yield an abundance of fresh produce with a bit of planning and creativity. Vertical spaces are your secret weapon in urban gardening. Imagine cascading vines of cherry tomatoes, vibrant strawberries dangling from hanging baskets, or fragrant herbs gracing a tiered planter. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. Not everything will thrive in every space, but that's part of the fun. Embrace the process, learn from your garden, and enjoy the journey. One of the beauties of urban gardening is its adaptability. With container gardening, even the smallest balconies can be transformed into productive, edible landscapes. The key is selecting the right crops for your containers. Opt for varieties bred specifically for container growth, often labeled as compact, dwarf, or patio varieties. Tomatoes are a classic choice, with cherry or patio varieties being ideal for containers. Their vibrant colors and juicy sweetness add a burst of flavor to salads and snacks. Peppers, both sweet and spicy, are another excellent option. Imagine the satisfaction of plucking a fiery jalapeno or a sweet bell pepper right from your patio. Leafy greens are perfect for adding a burst of freshness to your meals. Spinach, lettuce, and kale grow exceptionally well in containers and can be harvested continuously for a steady supply. Radishes, with their peppery bite, add a zesty touch to salads and are incredibly easy to grow in containers. For a touch of sweetness, consider strawberries. These delectable berries thrive in hanging baskets or tiered planters, their vibrant red jewels adding a touch of whimsy to your urban oasis. Herbs, too, are essential for any container garden. Imagine the aroma of fresh basil, mint, or rosemary wafting through your kitchen window. Companion planting, the practice of growing different plants together for mutual benefit, is a technique as old as agriculture itself. In your urban garden, companion planting isn't just about maximizing space. It's about creating a harmonious ecosystem that benefits all your plants. Think of it like this. Certain plants are natural allies, each offering unique benefits to their neighbors. Basil, for instance, is a fantastic companion for tomatoes. Not only does it enhance their flavor, but it also repels tomato hornworms, common garden pests. Marigolds, with their cheerful blooms, are renowned for deterring nematodes and other soil-dwelling pests, making them excellent companions for a variety of vegetables. Carrots and onions are another classic pairing. Onions deter carrot root flies, while carrots in turn deter onion flies. This symbiotic relationship helps ensure the health and productivity of both crops. Planting dill near your cucumbers attracts beneficial insects that prey on aphids, common cucumber pests, while nasturtiums with their vibrant flowers act as trap crops, luring aphids away from your prized vegetables. Remember, companion planting is about observation and experimentation. As you get to know your plants and their needs, you'll discover new and beneficial pairings that contribute to a healthy and abundant garden.